Hi, I created this video as nothing else existed in video form that I could find. Unfortunately, it was done on my phone and the washing machine no longer exists, so I'm unable to redo the video itself. I hope you were able to benefit from it anyway, so stay tuned. In order to put the WMB81221LS Beko washing machine into test mode, you have to first make sure it's all off, and you press and hold your start pause button, and while you're doing that, I'm going to let the phone go a minute, you turn the on off button over to cottons, like so, and then you keep that held for 3 seconds until the light comes on, and then let go. Then you press and hold the start pause button again for another 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and then let go. Then all your lights will start flashing. Then what I did, I moved this down to the bottom, and then when you press your start pause button each time, it will go through the different modes. But the motor's stopped working on this one, so I think you'll find that until we sort the motor out, it's not going to do most of the modes. It will fill up the machine and it will drain the machine. That's about all it's doing for us. So the drum itself is not spinning at all in any way, shape or form. And once you've gone through all the modes, it'll go back to your flashing lights. There you have it. I really appreciate you watching my video, and I plan on creating more that will be informative and enjoyable. So please like and subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.